And just as a heads up for anyone on the call, we are going to be recording the presentation just so that we can host it on our blog and webinar for later review. So if you have any issues, please feel free to either back out and we can do a personal demo with you, or we can come up with another solution down the line. And thanks for those just getting logged in. We'll give us another couple of minutes until we get started. Alrighty, and I guess we'll get going. So thanks to everyone for joining us. I'm sure we'll have more file in along the way, but to respect everyone that's on the call, we'll get started now. This is Zach with ATS. I'm the National Sales Manager, or Spec Manager for our market development team that's out meeting with architects, interior designers, and engineers, and really helping out with product knowledge and answering any questions and things along the way. So that's a quick intro on me. With us today is Melissa from Lixil. Just as a heads up, everyone, we do have everyone muted upon entry. We are recording as well. And if you have any questions for kind of privacy stakes and to respect everyone's background noise, we do have the chat and QA fields open. So I guess with that, we'll pass it over to Melissa to get started.
Thank you, Zach. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Melissa Forbes, as Zach mentioned. I am the Product Marketing Manager for Grohe, and I have the pleasure today of introducing the new ceramics lineup to you. Over the last few years, Grohe International has introduced Chinaware to their product assortment in Europe. At this time, we are launching our first ceramics lineup in Canada and North America. What this does is it allows Grohe to offer the complete bathroom solution to the customers for the first time. We're going to begin with the technology in our toilets. With Grohe, all product is built and developed on core pillars and standards, and these include our moments of truth. With these toilets, we have two new moments of truth to talk about. The first is Infinibright. This is a durable coating that reduces dirt and bacteria buildup to ensure the surface shines longer and less scrubbing is required. The second new moment of truth from Grohe is Dream Clean. This is the innovative rim design that releases a powerful rush of water, scrubbing the bowl from top to bottom with every flush. Our toilets also have a slow close seat and cover for a slow, gentle motion designed to eliminate the noise and annoyance of slamming of toilet seats, as well as a quick release seat. With push button ease, you can remove and replace the seat for quick, easy, and thorough cleaning. Our toilets also have powerful flush with 1,000 grams on your two-piece toilets and 800 on your dual flush. They have a forceful, clog-free siphonic flushing action, cleaning the bowl completely on the first flush. Looking a little closer at the Grohe Dream Clean, it is an innovative pressurized rim channel design that provides a powerful rush of water, scrubbing the bowl from top to bottom with every flush. The Grohe Infinibright is shown on the screen compared to an ordinary surface. clearly illustrating the longer lasting shine of the product. The Infinibright surface is fired in permanently and cannot be removed by cleaning. The ceramics collections offer two-piece trip lever toilets as well as dual flush toilets. Looking at the dual flush a little closer, Grohe uses siphonic dual flush technology, which uses a jetted siphonic bowl with a push from the jet and a pull from the siphon. The contents of the bowl are evacuated while maintaining the water spot. The competitors use wash-down dual flush technology with water flowing into the bowl and over the weir, pushing the contents out of the bowl, but leaving behind marks. When comparing to the market, the dual flush Grohe toilets have a MAP score of 800 and the two-piece toilets are 1,000 gram, where our competitors in their dual flush range from 500 gram to 600 gram. Another key difference between the Grohe new Chinaware and the competitors is the warranty. Grohe has a 5-year warranty, where most competitors have 1 year. The ceramics introduction with Grohe also includes labs. We are offering wall mount or above counter labs made of fine fire clay with flexible installation options. All labs have a glazed overflow, and when these sinks are installed without the shroud, they are barrier-free compliant. In addition, the labs are available in undermount or drop-in styles. Now let's get into the actual product detail. The Grohe ceramics introduction focuses on 2 key faucet collections, the Essence and the Eurocube. These faucet collections were the design inspiration for the ceramics. The Eurocube collection is the first we will talk about. For a clean and tailored look, the Eurocube collection offers sharp lines and precise angles. From the architectural appeal of the sink to the contemporary aesthetic of the two-piece toilet, the harmony of design creates a lasting impression. Complete this contemporary design style with the sleek look of the faucets from the Eurocube, Allure, Brilliant, Lanier, or Plus collections. There are 3 toilets offered in this Eurocube lineup. The concealed right height elongated toilet with right or left hand trip lever with a 4.8 liter per flush. There is also a concealed right height elongated dual flush toilet with 4.8 and 3.78 liters per flush. These toilets are made of vitreous china. They use the Dream Clean hydraulic platform, Moment of Truth, that I had discussed earlier. They are shipped as a combination bowl and tank with seat. They are right height, elongated, siphonic action bowl with skirted, smooth-sided trapway. The second Moment of Truth being Infinibright, the double-coated surface that inhibits growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew on the surface. The Dream Clean technology ensures each flush scrubs the bowl, keeping it cleaner longer. Available in both dual flush and single flush options, with your MAP scores of 800 on your dual flush and 1,000 on your two-piece toilet. For the labs, we offer an above-counter wall mount with 8-inch centers or 3-hole widespread, your above-counter wall mount center hole only, optional wall shroud, and an undermount or drop-in. The key features for these labs are that they are made of fine fire clay. They offer flexible mounting options with kits and templates included, available in monoblock or widespread, as well as undercounter.
Just before you go on there, Melissa, we had a question come in from the chat, and I think it'd be good to kind of frame this as really what applications are these appropriate for. So the question was, is the Eurocube commercial grade? And I think the answer is yes. It'd be great for like a light commercial or retail, hospitality applications, things like that. And really, we see this as kind of the high-rise, mid-rise, like the condo and higher end apartment and hotel type deal. Is that correct?
You are absolutely correct.
So yes, the Eurocube would be commercial grade quality, both in the quality of the China, the depth of that Infinibright and how long lasting it is, and that's showed with the 5-year warranty, which would be good. The 5-year warranty would be good for commercial applications, correct?
Yes, it would.
Yeah. And is it heavy duty enough for a common area? So I would say like the common area, if you were looking still for a tank type, I would say it's still as good or better than any other tank type that you would select. You might talk later, I guess, about the seat itself and whether that would stand up for a kind of common area. But I would say that in a lot of the common areas, whether it's for a hotel or anything like that, or if it's for like the shared services in a condo, we do often see those going flush valve type. So this likely would be as good or better than any of the other tank type options out there. But obviously flush valve has a little bit of a different aspect in the commercial, in those common environments.
The common environments also require that open front seat that these toilets do not have.
Great point. Perfect, and I'll let you move on from there. Thank you for the question, Minho.
Okay. As previously mentioned, the inspiration from this collection is from the Eurocube faucet line. There are a number of other collections that will coordinate with this chinaware, including the Allure Brilliant, Lanier, or Plus. One small thing to note, if you are purchasing the under-counter sink, some of the faucets will require the ball rod extension if the drain and the pop-up do not connect. A full listing of where this is applicable can be made available. For these sinks, they are made of fine fire clay, offering flexible installation options, including your wall mount or above counter with your mounting kit and template included. They have glazed overflow. Your under counter or drop-in is also made of fine fire clay. Mounting kit and template are included with glazed overflow. Our second collection is Essence. Pure and organic, the soft curves of the Essence collection invites relaxation and contemplation. From the timeless elegance of the sink to the gentle curve of the two-piece toilet, Essence transforms an everyday space into a special retreat. This collection coordinates with faucets from the Essence line, which is where the inspiration came from, but also Eurosmart, Atrio, and Grandera collections. Within this collection, there are 3 toilets offered. We have the concealed right height elongated toilet in both right and left-hand trip lever with a 4.8 liter per flush, as well as the concealed right height elongated dual flush toilet at 4.8 liter and 3.78 liters per flush. The specifications on these toilets include being made of vitreous chinaware, which is an enabled coating applied after firing process, making the porcelain tougher, denser, and shinier. They use the Dream Clean hydraulic platform. They are shipped as a combination bowl and tank with seat. They are right height, elongated siphonic action bowl with skirted smooth-sided trackway. Your Moment of Truth Infinibright, which is the double coated surface that inhibits growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria. The Dream Clean platform ensures each flush scrubs the bowl, keeping it cleaner longer. Available in both single flush, right-hand and left-hand trip lever, and dual flush. Your MAP score is 800 on your dual flush and 1,000 on your two-piece toilets with your 5-year warranty. The labs offered here are made of fine fire clay as an above counter, 8-inch centers or widespread, your above counter or wall mount, center hole or monoblock faucet, your optional wall shroud, and your undermount and drop-in. Your technical specs for this product include being made of fine fire clay, flexible installation options for a wall mount or above counter, as well as under counter or drop-in. Mounting kits and templates are included, and they all have glazed overflow. Coordination with, sorry, our faucet lines is key to create the perfect match. It's a system that makes designing a beautiful, well-appointed bathroom easy. The two distinct ceramic collections reflect the design aesthetic of a variety of Grohe faucets. Pair yours for a favorite look. As discussed throughout the slides, the Essence Ceramics coordinates with your Essence and a number of other collections, including Atrio, Eurosmart, Grandera. Your Eurocube coordinates with your Eurocube and Allure Brilliant. And then there are a few collections that we consider transitional that would work with either, and that's Allure, Linaire, and Plus. That is the product assortment I have for you today. And now we can take questions.
Perfect. Thank you, Melissa. Questions come in. So on the design side, why do they have the gap at the back of the toilets? Do they design that? Do you have a design that the back of the bowl would be against the wall, avoiding the gap that is really only there to collect dirt? It's not very easy to clean behind the toilet. That's kind of more of an installation question. Do you have an answer for that?
I do not from a design perspective. That's actually the first time I've gotten that question. But I can certainly look into and see if our designers and engineers have any input they can share with me.
Yeah, my understanding is that gap really just comes from ease of installation. The standard distance between kind of the front of the wall and the center line of the outlet, pretty typical 10-inch or 12-inch standard across the board. I suppose you could move that spud location back further so that you're exactly aligned with the wall, but you are then going to have difficulties with installation. So your contractor might be a little disappointed if you make that decision. And then, of course, as well, there's also the valve that needs to be connected to the water supply. And having just replaced the toilet in my new place, having easy access to that is pretty important. Any other questions coming in from the chat? So this is one of our quicker presentations. Really, we just wanted to show these two new styles that have come in from Grohe. We think that there's a lot of good applications for it. And again, the hospitality and really the private residence type of field, whether it's the multi-story private residence in a tower of a condo, or the single suite type of application. If there's any other product questions, I'm sure Melissa will be happy to answer. Otherwise, keep us in mind for the next time you have one of those condo applications, and Natalia, Mo, Steve, and myself will all be able to help you out with your specification and selecting the product for that project. We'll give it a last second, see if any more questions come in. And otherwise, thank you very much for your time, Melissa. That was great.
Well, thank you all. I do always look forward to comments, impression of product, feedback, and how we can continue to improve and make things better for the future.
All right. Have a good rest of the day, everyone. And if you would like help specifying Grohe, reach out to our team. Have a good day. Bye for now.
Thank you all.